Hello, my name is Julieta Andrea Naranjo Valencia. I am from Medellin, located in the department of Antioquia in the country of Colombia. I speak Spanish. I am a student health administration at the National University and at a distance. I am 32 years old. I like going to the cinema. I like to travel. I like to watch TV. I don't like painting. I hate raised Sam. These are my activities on a typical day. I wake up at 6 a.m. I take a shower and get ready. Then I have breakfast and I go to the bus stop. I take the bus to work. I start the working day at 7 a.m. I have a coffee and start work. Lunch at 12 p.m. with my two workies and return at 1 p.m. to continue with work. I leave the company at 50 p.m. I return home. I get home at 6 p.m. I have dinner with my family, finish and go to my room to watch TV for an hour. I do the academic activities from 8 to 11 p.m. and then I go to bed.